Warm greetings to all. Myself, Dr. B. Nagajyoti, Vice Principal and HOD of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department and President of Institution Innovation Council from DMSSVH College of Engineering, Machilipatnam. The Impact Lecture Series 2024 was organized on June 28 at DMSSVH College of Engineering. The session comprised of 2 expert lecture talks. The first lecture is on Inspire to Innovate and was delivered by Professor Dr.G.Srinivasa Rao, Associate Professor of EEE Department and Convener of IIC from VRSEC Engineering College, Vijayawada. During his lecture, Sir inspired the students towards innovation. He explained the students regarding how innovation helps in addressing and solving the societal problems. He demonstrated the use of innovation through some live examples. He also emphasized the need of using the advanced and new technologies for innovation purpose. The lecture was well received by both the faculty and the students. The second lecture is on Entrepreneurship as Career Opportunity and was delivered by Professor Dr.K.Naga Malleswara Rao, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering Department and Coordinator of IIC from VRSEC Engineering College, Vijayawada. During his lecture, Sir has explained the students how entrepreneurship could be one of the promising career opportunities for budding engineers. He provided information to the students regarding the various financial assistance supports provided by both the state and central governments for students to start as entrepreneurs. The lecture received great appreciation from the audience. The session concluded with the vote of thanks being proposed by the President of IIC. I wholeheartedly thank the AICTE and MOS Innovation Cell for extending the funding support for the conduct of this program. Thank you.